Hello to Associate Professor Dr. Tess Chi Seong. I'm the faculty Rahmati Elias Faisal with metric number 77630. So I will present about my final year project, which is about mental health classification. Firstly, I will show the introduction about my project. So it shows about being healthy as an important keywords for human well-being in our life. We also need to maintaining good mental health is critical for living a fulfilling and productive life. It allows individuals to cope with the challenge and stresses of everyday life, maintain healthy relationships, and contribute to their communities. Other than that, it is important to recognize the mental health disorders are prevalent and can affect anyone, regardless of age, gender, race, or socioeconomic status. Last but not least, understanding and prioritizing mental health is critical for individuals, community, and society. Next, for my problem statement section, mental health is a serious matter in our society recently. Patients of mental health, regardless of age, such as elder, teenager, student, older, and more. Mental health patients really need to be helped. Early detection and accurate classification of mental health is one of the most important issues. There is a need to evaluate the performance of machine learning for mental health, which we will utilize in these wishes. Research objective. Next is research objective. I do have two objectives for my project. Firstly, to preparing the dataset of mental health. Next, to evaluate the effectiveness and accuracy of mental health dataset by using machine and deep learning algorithm. For signification of study is about human mental health exists through overstress because of work, our environment, and more that can lead to depression, anxiety, and more. Through using machine learning to analyze the mental health dataset in Malaysia for individual mental health issues, improve diagnosis and treatment, accurate classification of mental health disorder, and critical of effective diagnosis and treatment. A robust classification system provides a foundation for conducting research on mental health. For my literature review, this is one of the articles that I found about mental health issue. The title of the article is A Comprehensive Review of a Factor Influencing Mental Health and Well-being. It is about mental health is a critical aspect of overall well-being with significant implications for individuals, families, community, and society at large. The understanding and promotion of mental health have garnered increased attention in recent years as the prevalence of mental health disorders continues to rise globally. A comprehensive literature review of the factors influencing mental health is essential to gain insight into the complex interplay of biological, psychological, social, and environmental factors contributing to mental well-being. Meanwhile, this table shows the article that I read and understand for literature review for mental health classification. Methodology. This chapter is physical science. It provides detail on the key elements like the method that will be used to conduct the study and reasoning for why that method is preferred. Following that, a discussion of techniques such as data collecting, analysis procedure, and other. So this diagram or figure show the method that I use for my project. Firstly, I need to define the problem about my project, then do data collection and preparation. Next, what I need to do is data preprocessing and then feature selection. After that, I need to split the dataset, do model selection and model training. Last but not least, I do model evaluation. Finding test data. The diagram below shows the naive-based classification for test data. The result accuracy for this algorithm is 0.52. Next is the support vector machine for short SVM classification for test data. The diagram below shows the process of analysis for SVM's classification. Meanwhile, this is the result of accuracy by using SVM algorithm. The result accuracy of this algorithm is 0.73. Next, this is decision tree classification for test data. The result shows 0.64 accuracy by using this algorithm. Meanwhile, this is random forest classification for test data. It shows 0.73 of accuracy while using this algorithm. Last but not least, for machine learning algorithm, k-nearest neighbor or known as KNN. For this classification on test data, the results show 0.9 accuracy by using this algorithm. Finding for trained data. For this part, diagram below show the naive-Bayes classification for trained data. The result accuracy for this algorithm is 0.70. Next is the SMV classification for trained data. This diagram, the correction metric of SVM classification for this algorithm, the result shows 0.3 accurate. Next, decision tree classification for trained data. The results show 0.5 accuracy by using this algorithm. This is random forest classification for trained data. It shows 0.80 of accuracy while using this algorithm. But last but not least, for machine learning algorithm for trained data is KNN algorithm. The result by using this algorithm shows 0.90 accurate. For deep learning, I use CNN algorithm. The diagram shows the classification by using CNN. The result shows 0.99 of accuracy by using this algorithm. Next is comparison table for each algorithm and their accuracy result. In this table, as you can see, the highest algorithm for machine learning is KNN with 0.9 accuracy. Meanwhile, the lowest is naive-Bayes algorithm with 0.52 accuracy. For overall highest result is CNN algorithm with 0.99 accuracy. For conclusion, the research aimed to investigate the classification of mental health disorder using machine learning technique. The study utilized a diverse dataset comprising individuals with non-mental health conditions and explored various classification algorithms, including naive-Bayes, support vector machine, decision tree, random forest, k-nearest neighbor, and CNN. In conclusion, the research provides valuable insight into the classification of mental health disorder using machine learning. The result emphasizes the potential for computational approach to contribute to accurate and efficient mental health diagnosis and treatment. The findings lay the foundation for future study in this domain, paving the way for advancement in mental health care and development of intelligent decision support system to assist clinicians in the classification and management of mental health disorder. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.